So given this parabola right here, we need to shift it. According to the x minus 3, that's going to shift it to the right. The plus 4 will shift it up by 4. The 2 will make it twice as tall as usual. And the negative will invert it. Instead of it going like this, it's going to go like this. So if we pick important points like this one right here, which is at 2, 0, this one which is at 0, 4, and this one which is at negative 2, 0, take those points, find out what happens to them, and then we could redraw it. So we've got these x and y values. Make a little table of values right here. We've got negative 2, 0, 0, 4, and 2, 0. Now this right here, x minus 3, that actually shifts it to the right. So if you're going to take this and shift it to the right by 3, it would then be over here at 5, 0. Or in other words, if you're going to shift x's to the right, you're actually adding 3 to them. So if you add 3 to this one, you'll get a 1. If you add 3 to this one, you'll get a 3. And if you add 3 to this one, it will be a 5. So there, this part's done. Now, all of that we did so far was the x information. What's left is the y information. So this is now saying take negative 2, multiply by the function values, or in other words, take negative 2 times the y values, and then shift them up by 4. So that's what we'll do on this table over here. Negative 2y plus 4. Now I do that to all these values. So negative 2 times it plus 4 means it's just a 4. Negative 2 times it makes negative 8 plus 4 makes negative 4. And negative 2 times it plus 4 makes 4. And then all we have to do is graph these points and then make a parabola that opens up instead of opens down. So the x values are 1, 3, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the y values are simply 4 and negative 4. So we've got 1, 4, 3, negative 4, and 5, 4. And now just make a nice tall parabola. And there it is.